Number 1.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,800. It features an automatic transmission paired with a strong 350 gasoline engine, delivering smooth performance and reliability. The truck is a 2WD model and shows just 114,000 miles on the odometer, which is considered low mileage for its year. The exterior is finished in a rich brown color, complemented by a clean tan interior that highlights the classic styling of the mid-90s Chevrolet trucks. Inside, everything remains in good condition, reflecting the care it has received over the years. In addition to its well-kept appearance, several important updates have recently been completed, including a new AC compressor for cool comfort, a new battery and alternator for dependable starting power, and a new tailpipe. These improvements ensure that the truck not only looks great but also runs smoothly and efficiently.
Number 2.
1986 Ford F250, price $9,000. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, powered by the legendary 7.5L 460 engine. The truck is also equipped with 4x4, making it versatile both on and off the road. Its exterior is finished in tan, complemented by a beige interior that keeps the cabin looking original and clean. In terms of upkeep, this F250 has received recent attention with a brand new starter and solenoid, along with new brake pads, rotors, and calipers, which add confidence to its drivability. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and handles the road well, proving itself as more than capable of daily use.
With its durable drivetrain, solid frame, and unmistakable 1980s Ford styling, this truck represents both functionality and character. Number 3.
1996 GMC 1500, price $2,500. It has 288,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in off-white on the outside with a beige interior, the truck runs on gasoline. A Jasper remanufactured engine was installed in 2015. While there is no paperwork, Jasper can confirm details if provided with the door tag number. In addition, the engine was refreshed and rebuilt about 15,000 miles ago, though documentation is also unavailable. Cosmetically, the truck shows its age. The interior is rough and the exterior is beat, though it does sit on 22-inch wheels.
Structurally, the frame remains clean.
Mechanically, the heat works but the air only blows at the feet, and the truck has no functioning air conditioning. The gas gauge is sporadic and unreliable, offered strictly as is. The truck comes with a clean title in hand. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800. This truck has 255,000 miles on it and is powered by a reliable 5.7L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It is a 2WD model that comes equipped with cruise control, power windows, power locks, and power brakes, making it both comfortable and convenient to drive. The truck is finished in classic white with a blue interior, and the cabin has been so well preserved that it is rated an outstanding 9 out of 10. The history of this pickup is just as appealing as its condition. It has had only 2 owners in its lifetime, with the first owner always keeping it stored in a garage. The second owner has also taken excellent care of it, ensuring it remains in top condition despite the mileage.
Number 5.
1989 Ford F150, price $3,500. This short bed is a classic pickup that comes with a clean title and shows 180,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with the reliable 4.9L inline-6 engine mated to an automatic transmission, a combination well known for its durability. While the truck is currently running a bit rough and will require some mechanical attention, it already has a new fuel pump and fuel pressure regulator installed, giving it a good foundation for further work. The exterior is painted white and the body itself remains solid overall, though it would benefit from a fresh coat of paint to bring back its original shine. The interior is finished in blue, providing a classic late 80s Ford truck look that still holds plenty of charm.
With its short bed design, automatic transmission, and dependable inline-6, this truck has plenty of potential either as a restoration project or as a solid workhorse once brought back into shape. Number 6.
1978 Ford F150, price $8,500, comes equipped with a strong V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in green over a blue interior, though its original factory color was blue, giving it a touch of history and character. It features 4-wheel drive and has been lifted 2 inches, riding on off-road tires that enhance both its stance and capability. An added dual exhaust system gives the truck a deeper, more aggressive tone while still running smoothly and reliably. Everything remains complete and in working order, making it a rare find for a classic pickup of this era. With its clean title and non-operational registration, it stands ready for its next owner, whether to be enjoyed as is or taken to the next level as a collectible or weekend cruiser.
Number 7.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This comes with a burgundy exterior and matching burgundy interior, giving it a classic and timeless look. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 5.7L engine that has only about 30,000 miles on it. The truck itself shows 250,000 miles, but much of the drivetrain has been refreshed. The transmission, a 4-speed automatic, was recently rebuilt and has just around 1,000 miles of use. Equipped with 4-wheel drive, this Chevy 1500 is both dependable and versatile, making it well suited for daily driving or tougher conditions.
With its automatic transmission, reliable V8 engine, and solid 4x4 capability, it stands as a durable and trustworthy truck that has been well cared for since July 2021. Number 8.
1983 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. It has been kept in solid condition and comes with a clean Tennessee title. The truck shows 100,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 6-cylinder engine paired with a smooth-shifting 350 automatic transmission. Finished in a beige exterior with a matching beige interior, it carries a timeless, understated look that fits perfectly with its vintage charm. Everything on this C10 is reported to be in good working order, from the drivetrain to the interior features, making it a reliable option for someone looking to own a well-preserved classic truck. With its originality, simple mechanical setup, and honest presentation, this Chevrolet offers not only a piece of American truck history but also a vehicle that is ready to be driven and enjoyed on the road today.
Number 9.
1970 Chevrolet C10, price $8,900, shows around 150,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. Painted in sleek black, this truck is powered by a reliable 350 engine that runs strong and performs well on the road. Inside, it has been updated with a new seat for added comfort, and most of the gauges are in working order, with the exception of the speedometer. While it remains a solid example of a classic C10, there are some areas of rust to note, specifically in the bed floor and tailgate, along with 2 small spots on the lower section of the passenger door. Overall, it is a well-running and eye-catching long bed pickup that carries both character and potential for its next owner.
Number 10.
1980 Chevrolet C20, price $5,500. While it has a few dents and scratches, the overall appearance is still solid with very minimal rust. Being a 1-year-only front-end model, it carries a unique appeal. The truck features an automatic transmission paired with a 350 small block engine and a TH350 transmission. The tan interior remains in decent condition, with the seat covered for protection. Only the driver's side shows a few tears, though the foam underneath is still intact and supportive. The previous owner replaced the original mechanical fuel pump with an electric one, and while the truck runs and drives, the carburetor will need tuning as it tends to bog down under load. The brakes also require bleeding for optimal performance. The tires currently hold air but will eventually need to be replaced.